In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste an email in Outlook paste to other email. First, open Outlook and head to your inbox. Find the email that contains the content you want to reuse, then click to open it so you can see the full message body. If you use the reading pane, make sure the message is fully selected and the body text is visible before moving on. This helps you avoid copying only a snippet or missing formatting you might want to keep. Next, highlight the text you want. Click at the start of the content, drag to the end, and release. If you need everything in the message body, you can use the Select All shortcut with your keyboard to grab it all at once. When your selection looks right, copy it to your clipboard using the standard copy command or by right-clicking and choosing copy. You won't see anything change yet, but the content is now stored and ready to paste. Now it's time to place it in a new message. Click New Mail or New Email at the top left to open a fresh draft. If you're responding within a conversation, you can instead choose Reply or Forward on the original email, depending on who needs to receive the information. A reply keeps the conversation with the original sender, while Forward lets you send that content to someone new. With your draft open, click into the message body where you want the text to go, then paste using your keyboard or right-click and choose Paste. If the text brings over fonts or colors you don't want, look for paste options that appear right after you paste. Choosing a plain text option can clean up mismatched formatting and make your message look consistent. To finish, add your recipients, write a clear subject line, and include any notes or context the reader needs. Take a moment to scan for spacing, odd fonts, or broken links, and adjust as necessary so the email looks polished. When everything is set, click Send. That's all there is to it. You've copied the content you need, pasted it into a new or existing email, and sent it off cleanly and confidently. Thanks for watching.